We are already in the middle of a deadly pandemic, origins of which has been traced back to a wet seafood market in China. While there are reported evidence that the SARS-CoV-2 virus originated in a Chinese lab, a new virus, CAT-Q, could be another virus that could put lives in danger. The fear of the viral spread has also alerted medical officials. Experts from ICMR has also sounded off an alarm after finding evidence of antibodies related to the viral strains in India. Trouble began when scientists from the ICMR, that is nothing but the Indian Council of Medical Research, found some antibodies in 2 of 883 human samples tested across different states in India. So the ICMR has come to a conclusion that the antibodies found was nothing but the infectious CAT-Q virus, proving that the virus could have infected some people at a point of time. So in order to understand this better, we must know what is a CAT-Q virus. The CAT-Q virus is a type of virus which is known to infect both animals such as mosquitoes and pigs as well as human beings. It is said that the virus could cause meningitis, high fever, and pediatric encephalitis, and is routinely seen in the swine or in the districts of China and Vietnam. CAT-Q virus is a type of virus which is transmitted through the arthropod vectors, which is also referred to as arboviruses. According to the experts, there are over 130 different strains of arboviruses in circulation known to infect humans. The symptoms of this virus can be asymptomatic, mild flu-like symptoms, or very severe ones. So another main thing that we have to know is that how does this virus spread? The main way of transmission is when the human host is bitten by the infected insect or mosquitoes. Flavivirus, Bunia virus, dengue fever, and the dangerous Japanese encephalitis are some of the most common strains known to impact humans. Apart from bites, arboviruses could also impact humans by means of blood transfusion, transplant, sexual contact, pregnancy, and giving birth. According to ICMR, in India, certain mosquito breeds such as Culex aegypti are at more risk and act as a medium for further transmission. The findings of the studies were published in the latest issue of Indian Journal of Medical Research. Scientists have also suggested that the traces of the infections found in the mammals like swine, a mild myna bird, and mosquitoes could mean that the virus could turn into a public health crisis, much like the coronavirus pandemic.